Do you like my new kitchen? Not brand new second hand. Call it my new kitchen, my old new kitchen. Start a little fire, small little. If it okay to catch. My fans, how do you like my kitchen? Let me kind of clean it up one way. Your first start. Fire, small little fire. Them soon. So I clean up some of them and next time now fine tune up look there. Take off a lot of all these stuff. Over the side. See me blow me here. Was sweeping it like this. Remember those days? This birdie down here already here cooking. They usually eat all in dinner. Usually have board like seat. Like usually have the boards right here. Like put like black on there, you put the board on it. One was over that side. See the floor here, no need to clean up. Some of these mess, take out the fern then. Then we have a nice little kitchen that I can even come cook sometime. There's some of my YouTube videos them right here. Nice place. No roof, we'd have to cook in here and when the day is fair. When I get less rain, now it's coming closer to Christmas, so the rainy season soon be off. Nice, you see the environment how it look, the sky looks so nice. Quiet day. Yeah, plane now this one is going into Kingston to land within a few minutes time.